Sir, this is Cadet Samantha Price and Cadet Ethan Stankiewicz. We are presenting Part A for Deliverable 1. As you can see, we have the total balanced budget or our objective for this deliverable. We will go bit by bit and break down where all these expenses are coming from so we can see the final project or what the budget of a soldier will be.
Our first main component of a balanced budget is our base pay, which is influenced by our grade as well as our years of service, as you can see in this influence diagram. So, for example, an O1 with 4 years of service, or we can even change that to 2 years because these are our input values, will have a base pay of $3,000, $1,058.09. So, as you can see, if we go in the table to 2 years of service and O1, you'll see the same value here.
Using the same methods we did for base pay, we used VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and match to determine the tax rate for different states. We looked at state and local. Our next step would be to input income taxes, but we've already only succeeded in the first two tasks. So if they go and input their state, for example, South Carolina, it'll automatically change the tax rates and find the pay after taxes.
Our next component is our BAH and BAS. This page isn't finished yet, but as you can see, we're currently working on our BAS. In here, there's one input. You can input officer or enlisted, and then it will calculate your BAS that you're allowed. As you can see in this influence diagram, there are other components that will influence your living expenses, which is the overall objective of this page. For example, you have BAS, BAH, different insurances that you may be paying, or just your estimated cost of household goods.
Our next steps in the project would be to look at retirement, see how much soldiers want to save and how much they want to invest, so we're going to create an investment portfolio. Then we're also going to focus on loans and different debts that these soldiers have to pay that are going to deduct from their total budget. So we'll look at cars, credit cards, and phone bills, things that they may have to input themselves, but it'll be easy for them to track and see how much they owe. So with an overall goal, using all these different resources, the soldier will be able to find his own balanced budget and will be better off economically.